love noodles.
Noodles. A string-shaped piece of pasta that originated in Asia. Not Asia, but you know, some country, that are usually eaten with a certain type of seasoning, sauce, or in a soup. And they're also full of sodium and are
Pretty bad for you.
It's not the healthiest snack, but it can get us through some rough days. But those days can be a little bit rougher because you have to cook them on the stove. But I'm here to change that. I got it from this guy. I'll leave his video in the description. I got the technique from him. He's a pretty cool guy. Seems like a pretty cool dad too. I tried the noodles already. Really good. Perfect microwave noodles I've had in a long time. Well, let's get right into it. Let's cook this ramen. Alright, so what you want to do first is get a clean bowl. And I'm gonna have to wash that. I thought that said suffer. Alright, so now that the dishes are mostly clean, you just want to get like a Tupperware microwavable bowl thing. Next you want to get your ramen. Don't ask why there's a keyhole in the door. Next you just want to kind of like open the package. Now you just want to take this and put some water in it. Now you see most of the things are floating. That's how you want it. Alright, so now what you want to do is you just want to take the thing, put it in the microwave. You know, put it at I'd say about 3 minutes per packet. But my microwave's a little strong, so I'm just gonna put it on like 3 minutes. Oh, yeah, I'll put it like 3 to 5 minutes. That's a good time. Yeah. Alright, so now while you're waiting for that to get finished, go back over the fingers. Alright, so when it's done, it usually come out like this. A little mushy. Hot. So now this is when you'd add the seasoning. Wet. I usually like to add these things because the seasoning packet by itself is a little dry. Nice and good. Oh crap, I dropped the fork. Ow. It's hot. Ow. Frick. Ah! Oh, that hurt. It still hurts. Oh, that's a hot fork. Alright, now we're gonna try some of the ramen that we have made. That is the best microwave noodles I've had. Obviously, they taste better when cooked on the stove. Yeah, I'll stop eating in front of you guys. Alright, so the ramen was pretty good. Especially for microwave ramen, because usually microwave ramen isn't that good. But that method, that technique, oh my god, stupid watch. Alright, it's gone. So that is how you cook ramen in a microwave. Very convenient. Fun fact, this video was originally supposed to be scrapped because I didn't like it, like, whatsoever, but I knew I needed to upload something because my subscribers would be mad. And here it is. There's plenty of people disappointed in me right now.